Wachusett! Go Wachusett! How's it going, skiers and riders? I'm John, and this is your Sunday, February 10th, Wachusett Mountain Snow Report. The cold weather is finally returning, which means we were able to blow snow on the mountain again. We covered our 26 open trails with a fresh coating of snow, and our grooming team got out there and laid down some corduroy for you to dig your edges into. And with our 8 open lifts, you'll have no trouble getting to the top of the mountain. We are looking at temps in the low 30s with low winds today, so be sure to layer up. Valentine's Day is this Thursday, and we have some great deals for everyone. We'll have 50% off 7 to 10 p.m. lift tickets with the promo code CUPID, single specials with a meet and mingle at the T-Bar, live music in the Copper Top, a nice and cozy outdoor fire pit, and plenty of other great specials happening. Be sure to check out the Wachusett Facebook page for more details. That's all I have for today. Be sure to check out social media for any updates to the mountain you might need to know about. Have a good Sunday, and I'll see you on the slopes.